He's not even doing it.
Oh, sweet.
Where do I park? I've never done it. Fuck.
He's reversing in. Oh, she's reversing.
Get the bucket. I don't know why she's just testing out a gearbox. Do you know what I'm saying? It's just going forward and backwards, forward and backwards. What are you doing, love?
Why would you parallel park in front of there if you can just park straight on?
She looks pissed off at me. It's not my fault, mate. You can't blame me for your lack of parking skill. You've been here for about 10 minutes. Who books that for 10 minutes? The car wasn't even dirty, you know, when it came in. Shut up, man. You've got a windscreen wash built on the car. She's taking the piss, you know.
Did you get her doing like a 10-point park on the camera?
Yes. She did that. I turned the camera off for 10 minutes. She's still going. So she's booked. What did she book? I thought you can only book 10 minutes.
I thought so as well, yeah.
She must have booked 2 cars in. The waste, man. What's wrong with it? She's done a serial killing or something. She's done something, G, because the car's looking clean and she's not stopping. She got OCD. See a therapist, mate. Where she's cleaning this.
My car as well.
Oh, done, yeah. Why is she giving me a death stare? I've done f*** all. Sun's out, bum's out, innit, bro? Because you're gonna get your ass out and that for the video.
What, like them f***ing...
Yeah. I'll do you a proper valet, yeah? You know what I'm saying? Wheel as well, yeah? Yeah, this is gonna be looking mean, mate. Yo, I'm thinking about getting my ass out and that for the visuals. Start twerking on this dinger. Enough of you, bro. Proper car trader, you, mate. Oh, my man's pissing me off, you know. He's so useless. Finally, the weather's warmed up a bit, boys. I've had so many people requesting me to drive a BM. So here we are. Oh my God, bruh. Typical Yaris, innit? Checking the road, yeah, realises it's not clear, he still hits it. Personally, yeah, I think this gen of BM without the screen is better. Yeah. Because you can't have the screen, just looks like an iPhone 3G, you get me? It looks stupid. But I've never seen one with brown interior, you know.
Yeah, I know, it's a 6-speed as well. It's actually quite good spec.
It is a good spec. You got heated seats and that as well.
No, it's not heated though. Electric.
Still a nice spec though, isn't it? Oh, this is nice, isn't it, for the summer?
I had it last winter. I had it for the winter.
Does it rev match for you?
No.
Oh, some of them do. Have you seen that?
No, that's only the new ones.
Is it?
This is an old boy.
How much brake is it? About 180, I reckon.
Yeah, 185, I think.
Getting used to that clutch, innit?
Clutch is good on it, man.
Yeah, very good clutch. The car pulls though. I feel like this is a proper driver's car, innit? The way the pedals are and everything. The M3's a V8 innit in this generation.
Yeah.
This is perfect daily though, innit? It's cheap as well. And it's aged like wine, innit?
Yeah.
It still looks kind of elegant.
This M47 is like known for timing chain failures. It's 130k miles, yeah, still on the original chain.
Surely if you give it good oil.
Still on the original chain, yeah, but there's no ticking.
Ticking time bomb, innit?
Yeah, it's a piss tune. Yeah, with all the labour, because the gearbox comes out, it'd be about £1,200, but the chain itself, so £200-300.
I'd rather get a new car,
innit?
Like
branded labour, that's right, yeah, exactly. Obviously it's high miles, you know what comes with high miles, yeah, but if it breaks down on you and you pay £2 grand for it, we buy any car, buy it for £1,300 straight away. So.
We buy any car, compensation. You don't sound very confident in the car, I'm not gonna lie. Ever since I hopped in, you've been saying, yo, if it breaks down or when this goes wrong.
I haven't driven it in a month or two.
I ain't seen that in yonks.
Oh, what?
Oh, what? Yeah, fresh. That's clean. It don't matter, cause it don't matter. Visibility is nice in here. Usually, yeah, on like coupe cars, they're a bit shit, innit? Yeah, mine that is what it is.
Doors are huge on this car.
Seatbelts in the bloody boot.
Yeah.
You get in?
Yeah.
Trust me, because he is, man, these little, what, they let Edward Scissorhands things, they're missing it half the time.
It's good when it works, but when it don't,
it's alright there, boys. We're gonna do a chilled, lovely, relaxed drive, yeah, with my boy here, yeah. Lovely summer, free trial for the summer, innit? This is low car, innit? I feel like I'm on the floor, man.
Yeah. It's lower than the other car that I've got, and that car's actually lowered on coilovers. And it's 136k miles, like half service history from Birmingham.
That service history was made the day before you picked it up, mate.
And I think it had a dodgy MOT as well, you know.
Why not? Shit, this is 6-speed.
Yeah.
Why did I think it was 5-speed? Yo, I had a shit morning, you know, cause morning, I'd diarrhea, innit? Lucky got brown interior. The thing is, I didn't even have nothing different, you get me?
Yeah.
Comes out of nowhere, there's no change in my diet, unless Pepe's messed up the rice box. Like my man spat in it or something. Don't know what's caused me to randomly have bubbly, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Not even to be grim in it, but like.
Nah.
But no, I'm not even trying to be grim, genuinely. I wanted to be completely honest with you. I flushed myself out before I come. Yo, the car's silent, man. You can't tell it's been 136 miles, innit?
No, you literally can't, bro. It's crazy.
Picks up nice. Foot to the floor, no limp mode. I'm not even like, this car's in good nick. Like, I'm not like inspected it or nothing,
yeah.
but driving wise, I can just feel like the car's been looked after. How many owners has it got, you know? What is it, something silly like 20 or something like that?
Find out. 12
previous owners.
Yeah.
12 previous owners.
Yes, bro.
Yo, from Birmingham, 12 previous owners. This is
12,
narrowly beating the record on this channel. Guess what the record is?
What was it?
GTD from Birmingham, 11 previous owners.
Oh shit.
But the car, yeah, was it was not like this. Bruh, this rental here, what? This rental here has been through 12 months. How much did you pick this for then, if you don't mind me asking? What? 20 quid? Still pulling like this?
Yeah, bro.
That's full power. I know it's full power, I can tell.
I ain't done shit to it, bro. I ain't even serviced it myself. I was literally only driving
don't say that.
I was only driving it for 3 months, bro.
12 previous owners from Brom.
I've only done about 2k miles in it. 2.5k miles.
What's that noise? Have I not shut my window properly?
No, it's this side still. It's got a little tiny gap.
You can tell a little bit from the steering wheel, I guess.
Yeah, the steering wheel.
But no, the interior is mint, genuinely. The bolster, everything like that is fine. Looks like a puppet, innit? It's fine. Please tell me you got no DPF and that's giving him cancer. It's probably been mapped and gone into limp mode causing it to be stuck. One of the, you think 12 of those geezers didn't get busy with the OBD. Is that working?
Yeah, it fades away after you drive it for a bit.
Yo, you should open up a dealership. Yeah, it's working, but it don't work sometimes. There's so much police today, you know. I think there's been a murder or something.
Yeah, I've seen it.
You know, on the way to yours, I've seen about 20 police vans.
Yeah.
So that's when I knew instantly today's the day to not insure and tax. Like, this handle's nice, innit? Hooked around. What made you think, yo, I'm gonna get this one?
I was on Marketplace at 4 AM. And then it popped
Was
up.
it Saturday night by any chance?
Nah, it was
Sunday morning?
Sunday night, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Sunday night. And then I called in sick to work, yeah. I went to see it on the same day, innit?
Did the way to Brom not put you off?
Nah.
Like when you drove through Allen Rock and Ladypool Road and all this, did you not think maybe somewhere, maybe I might as well get a dealership? Then what made you get it? When the guys come out with a logbook, you've inspected the front page, the address is not where you bought it from, and there's 12 previous owners on it.
It get me a fact though, that's why. That's
yeah. Why are you getting chugged for?
Not getting chugged.
We're gonna do the 2 litre diesel, mate. We're not gonna go flat. Yo, the C-Max is on it. Enough diesel in there.
Yeah, that'll be alright.
Sure, yeah. Nah, this road's become undrivable, you know.
Is this where you used to bring all the cars down?
Yeah, but now there's just potholes in it. It weren't like this before. Like, you see that? Yeah, the car's good. I mean, I don't really want to look under it, to be honest with you.
Right, it's good underneath as well, you know.
Swear.
Yeah. All the welds are good. Not much
Oh, the
rust.
welds has been, has previously not been good then. But is that car with you, 13 owners from Birmingham? Is that just cool? You drive it about and that's just a thing?
It was just for a daily, bro. I weren't bothered about it.
Nah, but daily's not like it's just a daily. Daily means you're driving it every day. You're cool
Yeah,
with that
I'm driving
every day.
it every day to work on, but yeah. That's all I was bothered about, really. It looks good from the outside. Yeah, so.
Yeah. This was my man that you bought it off.
It's
Romanian. Oh, so it might not have 13 previous owners. That just might be the owners.
30, innit? Yeah.
Nah, that just might be the previous owners of the car that the VIN's been swapped with.
Oh, yeah, true. Yeah. It's not even Cat S though, you know. It's HPI clear.
Yeah, but that's not a selling point. You get me? You can't just be like, no, the car's good because it's not been mangled before.
But it's surprising.
You do realise HPI clear,
12
yeah?
owners, yeah. And
That
somehow it's
just
not
means
HPI clear.
that just means it's not been recorded, yeah. In no world does that
definitely
mean.
correct.
In no world does that mean it's not a
There's a bump on
category
the
S.
door, you know. There's a little dent on the door.
This has definitely been in a chase. Back in its prime, yeah, back in 08, 09, yeah, this was definitely in a chase. Yeah, but Beamers, yeah, when they release a car, everyone's mocking it and then it grows on you. But that new M5, I can't lie, I ain't really feeling it. I ain't feeling that boat.
You're not?
Nah.
Bro.
New M5, you dumb? You seen it in person?
Yes, bro.
Looks dead.
Bad boy.
Dead.
That's the car Getz was driving. The new M5 and G90.
What's that?
Yeah.
That someone don't like the front end. Gets like that.
He's drink driving, speeding back.
And the new M5?
Yeah.
Is that not enough proof? Handles like a boat.
They released all the footage of his driving that night, yeah. He was like on the wrong side of the road.
Oh, so he weren't on a blast or nothing like that?
The whole night he was just driving like a twat, and then he hit this guy going to hit like 70 miles an hour on a 30.
I like the way it handles. It don't feel like a 2 litre you know what I mean? It does, but it don't feel like it's supposed to have a 2 litre diesel in it. These lot are the ones with the handbrake. That's useless, isn't it?
Meant to get polished, bro.
Nah, you're doing too much, man. It's not like you're offering finance on it, is it? Paying previous owners, sell it as a mud pile.
No, I'm just literally just gonna say, just looking for a quick sale. Like, nothing actually technically wrong with the car. It's just
got chlamydia in it. You know what I'm saying? It's a nice girl though.
Yeah. She's got a good personality.
Definitely got a kid. Like 2 kids, but they don't get along. Like there's a son, he's 12, but he's white. The 6-year-old, he's black. And then there's an Indonesian that's just been born. It shops at B&M, but it tells the daughter, yeah. It says, how much are these? She goes $2.50, and you go put them back, like in front of everyone. Everyone's looking. Yeah. That's who this car is. I don't even like the weekend. People, look, you know, they look forward to this all week. What are they looking forward to, G?
I'm working tomorrow, fam.
So you not even do weekend either? You don't celebrate the weekend?
No, I don't celebrate, no.
Neither do I. That's what I'm saying. Nothing changes on the weekend.
I work weekends every now and then. So.
You know, every time I put a car on my YouTube channel, not to put you off, anytime I put a car on my personal YouTube channel, something like goes wrong with that car afterwards. No. This one's not one that I'm going to be selling, innit? Bro, some sort of evil eye going on there, you get me? Yeah. Every time I put a car on my chest, Civic got nicked. I don't put all my cars on YouTube. Yo, it's flipping green, man. These are finished. C-Max, Yaris, Micra, I'm sick of them, ban them. I think 2 litre diesel engine is made for UK roads, genuinely. Which is the best way down there? Should I turn right up here? That looks like it's going to be chocker up there.
Oh shit.
Yo, should have gone the other way, innit? Is it too late to reverse?
Yeah, you can't f***ing reverse it, too.
Yo, these man are pissed. Yo, we're gonna be here for time. Can't even back out of this. This is the worst part about this road, innit?
Can't turn right or left.
Yeah. You stop. POV Saturday. Fuck this. No, let me in there. This got long gears in it. Gear 1 and 2. I think this is long. This is 10 mile an hour. It's not even at 2k RPM yet. I might have to spin it and then go the other way. Look at them. They're all pissed off. They all want to be in front of each other. My man worked his arse off to be there instead of there. Oh, never mind. What's he nodding for and looking the other way? What a shit prank. You know what I mean? Oh, I want to buy a diesel, you know.
Bro, I like diesel.
Early 2000s diesels.
I want the 3 litre 85.
You know, if you tune them, man. Yeah, have you seen them tuned off the line?
Yeah, have you seen them straight? Have you seen the straight pipe ones? The 3 litre diesel.
Like GTR, innit?
Yeah, you know already.
Come on, guys.
Come on.
Check it. Look at that. I love seeing the pubs full. Yeah, everyone's come out.
Yeah, cycling Mikey though.
Oh, he's a waste, man. He's not rounded.
I heard he got done, you know, but I'm not actually sure how true that is.
Done as in what? What for? Bagged?
Nah, yeah.
What for?
I don't know. Do you remember when he threw his bike out in front of that Fiat 500?
Nah. Well, I didn't know you had a personal vendetta, G. Something traumatic must have happened in it to be that guy that chills in the bush. I'd be scared of the bad karma, you know. What goes around comes around. If I get that many people done, you think no one's gonna like shank my mum or something stupid like that? You know what I mean? For building up all that bad energy. I'll be real, I don't even press the button at the traffic lights while I'm waiting because I feel like
I feel bad, innit?
I feel bad because if I stop
when you're the other way around, yeah.
Every time you're in an emergency, you're getting stopped and you think back, that's probably because I stopped these man and their red lights. They all look pissed off as well. For what? For you to not just be patient, wait for a gap in the road and then cross. What do you think we did before traffic lights? You're gonna let yourself be that dictated to let a little red LED control what you do? That's capitalism, you get me? This is the devil. You see, these lights are the devil. Plus, yeah, my another argument, you know when we used to explore jungles and that, we're not designed to keep stopping for fun. It builds blood pressure. Blood pressure builds a murderer, serial killer.
Is that why you bust the red light?
That's why I bust red light, 100%. Yeah, fuel line. Did I have to do that right when I was on the gap? I'm pretty sure it makes that noise as well, innit? When you mac the thing off. You know what I think? You know, if my channel ever gets taken down, it won't be for like speeding or nothing like that. It'll be for telling the truth. Because I like to hide stuff in my videos, innit? I'll be telling the truth and that. That's why I'm telling you boys, download my videos. Shall I go straight in it?
Yeah.
Download my videos. Because trust me, when this gets taken down, you're gonna you're gonna come back to my videos for reference points, innit? Whatever you believe in when the Antichrist comes back or what, you're gonna be flicking through the Rizzy videos and thinking, right, my man said the answer like 20 years ago. But at that point, it'll be too late. That's another thing. You know why everything became digital? Why everything went to Netflix? So they can edit published content. You know what I'm saying? They can go back in time, they can edit it, they can alter it. You can't do that with a CD, you get me? So I'm saying this is another critical information. We're onto it. We're switched on.
Go down Forest Road, innit?
What, pick up a posse from Forest Road?
This road has the shittest drivers.
I haven't been in this road in time. There's not even a food spot here that I like.
That chicken shop. Not this one, the next one.
Chicken Valley?
Yeah, that's Garra, innit?
It's medium.
You think?
Yeah, I think it's just average.
It's cheap and cheerful.
Anyone can fry a chicken. Cheap and cheerful till your diffuser's getting nicked outside. Nothing cheap about it. Why has he got grip tapes all around his car? Bit of sun on the cuzzies have bought out the deck chairs, the brooms, the homewares on special offer. It's not usually this busy, innit?
No, it's not.
Was that an undie in the Ford?
Yeah.
I knew something was up. What are they getting their cars from? Are they just bidding on everything? Sort by cheapest. Everyone's got a staring problem, man. Do you not think? Do you get that? Everywhere you go, everyone's already looking at you before you're looking at them. They've already been looking at you and examining you as well. Oh, he's got a brown shirt on. I thought you just had size too small.